All right, top of the morning. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to yet another episode of the Robinhood portfolio. This is the update, part 2. So currently at the time of this recording, there's currently a CPI report going on. So I'm going to log in the Robinhood app and see how well my portfolio is doing. Let's get to it. All right, we're all logged in. So now let's check out the portfolio, see how it's doing. Okay, so you can see where I got in at 554.73. I have 100 shares, well, 100.17.325. Currently, SPY is going for 100 shares. It's going for 60,481. Well, the market's open, so that price is going to keep fluctuating. This is my total return, 49.11. Now, as you see here, I sold a 610 call to the market, and it's currently going for 42 cents. Now, my average credit on it was $1.50, and due to price fluctuation, it went up $1. But overall, my total return is $105. Now, I still have 2 more days left on this contract, but I see profit, and I'm going to take it as it's going up. I'm going to leave it for good for the day because I want to get out of this. I'm going to hit the review button. And here you see where it says, I'm willing to pay $44 to buy back my open contract, which will release my collateral and remove my obligation to sell 100 shares of SPY for $610. I'm going to submit that. And it got filled immediately. And now for the next one, Palantir, PLTR the ticker. Now, I sold the 165 call to the market. It's currently going for 73 cents. I got $1.09 credit, and it's currently going for 73 cents. Total return is $36. Now, as you see here, I have until March 21st to see where this goes. Now, this position can play out a couple of ways. I can cash out today for a small profit, or I can wait a little while. Well, currently, at the time of this recording, my average cost was $70.90. I had 100 shares, and my total return is $44.63. And PLTR is currently 115 change. The market's open, so you see fluctuation. So there's a couple of thoughts about this. I can stay in that contract, and that'll give me the opportunity to make the difference of 165 should it go that high, and 70.90 where I got in. And that's a profit of about 16 bands, I believe, something like that. I did it in an older video. I showed the calculator. So my thought is, I want to maximize the profit. And at the time I sold that contract to the market, 165 was the highest. So what I'm gonna do here is, I'm gonna look and see if there's a higher contract within the option chain. So currently, the contract that I sold to the market expires March 21st. We'll go back there. Let's see how much higher I can go. So it looks like I can go a little higher, but there's not much credit there. So what I'm going to do, since I see that 2 more strike prices has been added to the chain, I'm going to go back and I'm going to sell my contract, and I'm going to wait a little bit until the price of these 2 go up a little bit, the 170 and the 175. And if those go up to an attractive price, then I'll take it there. So yeah, I'm going to sell this. Well, rather, I'm going to buy it back. You see there, it's going for 73, so that's what I'm going to put in. Whoa, and just that fast, it went up. Okay, so here I'm going to pay $73 to buy back my contract, which will release my collateral and my obligation to sell 100 shares of Palantir for $165 by March 21st. Hit submit. We'll wait and see if that gets done. Okay, went up a little bit, so we'll try this. Okay, I got filled. I paid a little bit more, but I wanted to get out of it because I want to maximize profit. And why sell for 165 if I can get 175 for it? All right. If you found value in the content, please like, share, subscribe. And also, if you're interested in starting your stock investing journey, there's 2 links in the description, one for Webull and one for Robinhood. Or you can choose any brokerage of your choice. Now let's get back to the video. All right, and on that note, I'm going to try and find a different option with PLTR. We'll take a look at February 21st, see how this one works. Now, I'm very tempted to sell this 130 call to the market. That's a $98 premium. Not sure about that. Let me look around. Okay, you know what? Then again, I'm going to try this 130. Now, the only difference is instead of 98, I'm going to put the price up a little bit. Now, if you've seen any of my previous videos, see here, even though the ask is 98 cents, I don't have to accept that. So I will accept $2.50. That's $250. And this is not going to happen today. So I'm going to go good till cancel. Put this in. Now, you see here. Oh, I almost made a mistake. Good thing I started reading the bottom of this thing. It says, you're paying $250, and that's not what I want to do. Let me correct this real quick. Yeah, you see, this is why I always emphasize to look at what you're doing before you actually do it. Now, you see the difference? Now that I want to sell the 130 contract to the market, they're only going to give me a $13 credit. So I guess I won't be doing that. So we're going to try a different week. This one is February 28th. Now I can sell the 130 call to the market. Now I got it right this time, sell call. And I'll get $206 of premium. But I'm going to push that up a little bit. Now, in all honesty, I've learned my lesson from the 2 rollovers I had to do with this stock. So what I'm gonna do now is, instead of taking what they're offering, I push it up to $350. That would be $350. And then I'll put good till cancel, because I know it's not going to get filled today because the market closes in about an hour. Review order. Make sure I got it right. Sell call. Yes. Good thing I was reading the bottom of this. So here you see, I'm agreeing to sell 100 shares of Palantir at 130 on or before February 28th. If I'm not asked to sell PLTR by then, I'll keep the collateral plus the $350 credit if I get filled. Hit submit. And PLTR cover call placed. And I'm done with this. So far since I started this Robinhood portfolio series, I've gotten 1%, except for this week and last week. But at the beginning of this, I got from January till present, all in all, I got about 6%. So if this video provided value, if you like what you saw, please like, share, subscribe. And one other thing, I am not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence before investing in the stock market or anything for that matter. Other than that, I'd like for you to do me a favor if you're able to. Let me know what trading techniques would you like to see in the next video. Till then, love you all. Be well. Peace.